Welcome back, Pure Structure Traders and YouTube, for another weekly trading recap for you guys for the micros trading account that we have here, showing you guys how to build a small account into a bigger account. And again, once we hit that 1500, we'll start to be trading the S&P regular, and then also once we hit 3000, we'll go ahead and move over to the gold as well. But continuing on with the trading recap for you guys, we're going to go over some of the trades we took this week. Took most of it on S&P 500, so we're going to go over the trades we took on S&P, the micros, showing you guys exactly what we've done so far this week and where we're standing in the account. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. Again, if you guys like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Other than that, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, just taking a look at what we've been doing so far for this week, we did fall pretty deep. You can see we had resistance all the way up at these 4407s, popped a little bit above it, 4420, and then for the week so far, we've been moving back down into supports. 4320 to about 18 is going to be our main level of support, and then from there you can see we're trying to gradually pull right back up into resistances above. So again, if you guys have not watched those market analysis videos, definitely recommend you guys watch them before you go ahead and trade. Gives you guys some ideas of where the sellers and the buyers may end up stepping in, and giving you some ideas of where you should go long and go short as well. But with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the trades that we've taken so far on S&P 500, the micros, for you guys. So looking at this, we're going to start here. We started on the 11th, had a pretty good, decent short. You can see we took about 4 lots. 4404.75 is where we took 4 lots here for a short down. So right at a level of resistance, we couldn't break through that area. So it was pretty decent opportunity for us to look for a short right around this area. You can see nice rejection and a pull down. Got it into 4402. So again, that was a nice trade opportunity that we had right at that level. And then from there, let's move over to what we had as we're pulling over. Let's take a look. I believe we ended up trading next right here. Let's take a look here. Move this up just a little bit. So took a couple trades here. You can see a couple of the opportunities that we took. We had a short idea, 43, 29.50, 43.31, and 43.30.50. And you can see on those we got stopped out. Got stopped out 43.32, 43.33.50, and then 43.33.50 as well. Got taken out. Tried to go for a short right at resistance, but popped right back up against us. Then we had a long opportunity here, 43.33.25. So the market was making structured support here for a push higher. So again, went long 43.33.25 for 2 lots, then 43.33.75, and then 43.33 even. You can see we got it up to about 43.35.75 on there. So not bad, but we did get stopped out on the short ideas there. Moving over into some of the next. Let me try to see if I can scroll this out just a little bit. Some of the next trades, we had a long opportunity here, 43.60.75, got into about 43.62.25. So not a bad long opportunity, just a little bit higher. Would have preferred to get it somewhere down here, but I missed this whole long. Just trying to see if I can get this extension. Not the greatest trade, but again, not too bad. Still got some profits there. Let's take a look at this trade here real quickly. We had a long opportunity, 43.61.25, but we got stopped out. It came against us. It was a little bit high. We actually took it right up against the wall of resistance. So again, we couldn't get through this area here. You can see this rejection happening. And you can see the market starting to fall off. And this was a bad long trade opportunity here. We took one try to see if we could extend it higher, but really couldn't. We were looking right off this little bit of a micro peak. We were holding 1, 2, 3. Really could have, should have. Probably took it off this third touch and maybe tried, and then if we couldn't get through, leave it alone. But didn't happen. We got stopped out for that, and then we took a short opportunity, 43.58.50 down into 52.50. So that was actually a good short. Could have actually wrote it down even deeper, but as you can see, if we scroll out of this, was coming into a little bit of support right around these 52. So didn't want to try to hold it too far, as maybe we could have bounced right off that level. So took some profits there. But again, nice trade opportunity there. Let's take a look at some of the other trades. So here's where I won't say it gets a little bit messy. We took some trade opportunities, took a couple shorts, took a couple long opportunities. We'll start with the long opportunities. We took um, right here. Let me just scrunch it up here because I think we got one right at the top. We took one 43.55. We got stopped out 43.52.25. Took another one 55. We got stopped out 51.75. Took another one 43.54.75. Excuse me. Then we took 43, 54, 25, 54, 25, 54, 25, and 54. And you can see all these trades here. We took long for the long opportunity. We actually got stopped out right in that area, and the market started to come against us. At this point, started to take some shorts from there. One, two, three. We had about four shorts right at 43.52. Four short positions there, and then 51.75. One, two, three, four, five short positions at 52, and then a sixth position at 51.75. You see we got that short down into 46.75, 46.50, 47, 47.25, 47.75. So again, this trade worked out pretty well as the market started to gradually pull down. Really wanted to get this little bit of a micro support here for a push up higher. But actually, now that I look at the trade and when I look back at it, it wasn't the greatest of trades. I was really trying off this little micro peak here, and that wasn't a really good idea. Probably should have started right around this area on the pullback and then shot up from there. That would have been a better opportunity. But still got the positions back down, so still covered our losses there. Moving over, had a long position at 43, 47, 75. Got into 43, 49, 75. Pretty easy position there. You could see the reason why we actually went along, just like we kind of spoke about, was this little micro peak right at this area. Nice support bounce there and a push up higher. That was a great opportunity for a long. And again, probably should have waited for these longs to come back here. That would have been way better for the opportunity long. So tried but failed. That's okay. Again, covered our losses with some profits there. Then we had another long opportunity, 43, 42.50 into about 43, 42.75. Took a tick on that one. Wasn't too confident as the market came below. As you can see, we had a little bit of micro support here, and we were below this area. So this position was a little bit uncomfortable as I took it a little bit higher. So I got out, exited a little bit earlier. Wasn't too confident in that position, so just took a tick off that. Next position we took long. You can see as we scroll over 43, 46.75, and then 43, 45.50. And you can see one of them we got stopped out. These 46.75 stopped out 44.25, and these 45.50s took long position into 48.50. So one stop out and one position we took profit on. So not bad. Nice support that was coming in after that area right off this little micro support area again. That was a good opportunity. Took a little bit higher here. Would have been better for right here, but we didn't take the position off that area for the long. So we'll see if we can actually make some better trade opportunities. But this was not a bad one, but we did take a stop there. Moving over into some other positions that we did end up taking here. We had a long position right off these 43.50 25s, got stopped out 43.45.75. Was a little bit higher. In fact, I probably should have took in the long if I saw the support on top of that area, but we didn't. It started to fall right back down and we got stopped out there. Had another long position right here, 43.45 75, and we got it up to 43 47.50, and then we took another long position, which was actually a pretty decent one, 43 48.25 long into 43.53 even. That was a nice one. Nice bounce right off our support. You can see the little bit of a low. If I scroll this out for you guys, you can see a little bit of a low that we connected with a prior peak right off this level. It would have been better to capture this one here, but we got it a little bit earlier, and then the market came up, rotated right back down, and then shot right back up. So that was a pretty good one. We got a nice run off that area, so two profitable there, 43 45 75, and then 43 48 25 into the 53. So that was a good opportunity as well. All right, and moving over, I think, to a couple more trades we had so far for this week. Let's take a look. Let me scroll this over just a little bit, see where we have our other trade opportunities. Believe we move into maybe the London session. Let's take a look here. Believe we have maybe two more. Yeah, so we took a short opportunity, 43.32, and we got it down into 43.31. even, and then we took our last one here. You can see 43, 35, 25. We got it into about 43, 34. A little bit dangerous. Probably should have been looking for the long opportunities from this support area, but wanted to try to take these little peaks off this area. Got them for a couple, and then the market started, I believe, moving back up from there. But not bad. But we did see this support here, but we did get a good resistance. I could have probably rolled this one down, at least back into support down here, and then probably been looking for a push back up from there. But the market, as you can see when we scrolled out, was bearish. So we did have decent idea of the short. It's just it popped up a little bit right back into this area. And you can see where we took the short on the second one was a little bit lower, just like kind of over here, right off this area. Wanted this low to try to pull down deeper, but this was pretty strong support right in this area. So popped up a little bit. We got some profit here, but this one here, I really would have rather taken it a little bit underneath this level for a short down and continuation. It's actually a pretty good one, but again, I missed it. Took it a little bit lower. Rotated back here. I missed these two rotations for a continuation on short, right back into our support there. But those could have been some good opportunities there for short ideas as well, for short trades there, but we didn't catch that. But that's okay. Again, play some pretty good trades this week. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trading log. So look at where we're currently at. I believe we have two, so we're going to go over what we're looking at, but you can see our lost trades 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 losing trades and the rest of them winning trades. You can see after commission costs, we're sitting at 124.48 on this log that we have here. Total number of trades here so far was 20. Total number of winning trades 11. Total number of losing trades 9. So trade win rate we had 55%. Trade lose rate we had 45%. So again, still above 50% on the win rate, but again, could have did a little bit better. Average winning trade $27.50. Average losing trade $16.94. Largest winning trade $55. Largest losing trade $50. And you can see starting balance this week 1236.35. Closing profit on this log here 124.48. Account balance 1360.83. Moving over to the next log, show you guys the last couple trades that we put on so far for the midweek, and we should have a little bit more towards the end of the week to continue it green. But you can see we got 1, 2 losing trades, but the rest of them winning trades. Again, $24.11 after commission cost there. Moving it down, you can see over here, average winning trade on this log, $11.04. Average losing trade, $17. Largest winning trade, $23. Largest losing trade, $22.50. You can see closing $24.11 so far on this log. So right now account balance is sitting at $1384.94. Again, once we get up to those 1500, we are going to be looking to at least trade 1 or 2 times on the regular S&P until we gradually pull it into 3000. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to like that as well. But that wraps it up so far for the midweek trading that we've had. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, guys, if you guys are struggling to find consistency and success in your trading, feel free to become a member with us at Pure Structured Trading. Take some coaching sessions, maybe a coaching program with us. We would love to help you find success and consistency in your trading. Other than that, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys take care. Have a great night. Bye.